Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pretty little dress. It has a circular skirt and a sun top. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, please remember to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. That helps my channel grow and I'd really appreciate that. For the top I used one of these soft headbands which you can purchase at the pharmacy, Walmart or the dollar store, someplace like that, and you'll need one headband which will make the bodice and the straps. To make the skirt I used one fat quarter which is 18 by I think it's 24 inches, and that's enough to make the skirt with a little left over for another project which I'll show you in another video. The first thing to do is to press the fabric smooth and fold it into four. Next, measure your doll's waist and divide by 4. Mark a line across the uncut corners of the fabric because you now have 4 layers, and cut that line. If you end up with square holes like this one, which you will cutting it straight across, you can make pencil lines and give yourself a curved waistline, which is actually better. For the waistline you can use hem tape or, as I did, wide lace. I like to use lace because it hides the stitches, and I folded this lace, which was about 1 inch wide, over the waist edge and then sewed it in place. For the hem, I sewed the lace onto the outside, onto the right side of the fabric, and then I turned it in to the wrong side of the fabric. As you can see, I turned in about 1/4 inch of the skirt fabric so that the lace does not show from the outside. For the top, cut the headband to the length of your doll's waist. There'll be a little piece left over very likely, and if you cut that in half you can use it for straps. If you prefer, you could use lace or perhaps ribbon. You can adjust this pattern any way that you like, as you can see from the photographs. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. Please leave me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to see more of my videos. That helps the algorithm find me, and it helps my channel to grow. Thank you again. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.